Everybody. Today I'm going to do a gray background with a flip and drag using a test tube. So let me put my gloves on. And this is the same color gray I used on one of my last videos. It is Payne's gray mixed with white. So it's a gray, but it almost lends to a bluish tone, I feel. So I'm going to use deep violet, dioxazine purple, which I should shake up, and Arteza pearl sapphire blue, and black. So, whoops, rub that in. It's like it never happened. Let's pour this on. These test tubes are from a vacation from like 3 years ago where you buy a drink and get an extra rum shooter in it if you choose, which I of course chose because I'm on vacation. And so I took them all home with me and washed them because the rest of the family got them too. So I was like, save your test tubes for me. You never know where you're going to find art supplies. It could be on vacation in one of your mixed drinks. Alright, so you might not be able to see me, well, if I move this over there. Pour the black in first. Deep purple. Dioxazine purple. And the sapphire blue. Now I gotta move this back. And actually, I'm gonna plug this and shake it to get the colors to mix. Probably should have tilted off more gray. But we will tilt as I tilt this, gray will come off. Because I love it when it comes off the edges. I love the sides. I love pretty drippy sides. some pretty drippy sides on the other side now. I'm tilting slowly so as to try not to get zigzags. Tilt too fast, you end up with zigzags. And kind of bring back to the center. Now that deep violet and the pearl sapphire blue have iridescent in it, and it looks really pretty over here. And you can see little bits of it elsewhere too. I'm going to try and torch from further away to not get a bunch of little cells. I got some, but not that many. That's pretty cool. Those are the pretty edges, the pretty drippy sides, which I love. Look at that corner. Whoa, I'm probably making you nauseous. And that iridescence. There it is as a whole. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Bye.